Welcome to Voices, the ultimate destination for all things voiceover. Now today we're going to be discussing everything that you need to know to get started in voiceover. First things first, let's talk about the basics. So voiceover is the art of using your voice to convey a message, whether it's for commercials, audiobooks, animation, or video games. With the rise of digital media, the demand for voiceover work has skyrocketed, which makes it a really fun and really lucrative career choice. So what do you need to get started in the world of voiceover? Well, it starts with a great space. This is by far one of the largest contributing factors to a great voice recording. You want a nice quiet space away from any distractions or external noises, things like the air conditioner, fans, appliances, and of course the traffic outside. Now getting the space set up right is maybe even more important than the microphone that you choose. Speaking of microphones, we're seeing a trend toward USB microphones, which are not only affordable, but they're also really easy to use and great for home recording, especially for those who may have limited space or who may need to set up and tear down after every single session. Now, historically, USB microphones have really fallen short of their XLR counterparts, and while a good XLR microphone and audio interface pair is still the gold standard, USB microphones have been making strides in recent years. Now, the one that I would personally recommend here as an audio guy is the Sennheiser Profile mic. To my ears, it sounds fantastic. It has relatively low self-noise and hopefully won't break the bank. Now, of course, having a great microphone is just the beginning. You also need the right software to record and edit your voiceover work. This year, popular options include Adobe Audition, Pro Tools Intro, Reaper, and Audacity, which are all really powerful tools for producing professional grade audio. They each come with their own suite of plugins and their own pros and cons, so just make sure that you find which one is right for you. Now, we've done tutorials and setup guides for each of these DAWs here on this channel, so make sure you check out those videos and see which one resonates with you the most. But wait, there's more. To really make a name for yourself in the voiceover industry, you need to have a killer demo reel. Your demo reel, it's your calling card. It's like your resume, so it needs to showcase your range and your versatility as a talent. Now we're seeing a trend towards shorter, punchier demo reels that highlight only your best work, and I'd recommend creating a few shorter demo reels that are specific to each skill. So commercial, broadcast, audiobook, animation, etc. That way, when a client visits your profile, they can hear the most relevant demo to suit their project. And of course, before you can even make a demo, you need to have some scripts to work with. Now this year, we're seeing a demand for more conversational, natural sounding scripts, as opposed to the traditional over-the-top sort of announcer style scripts of the past. This means that as a voiceover artist, you need to be able to sound authentic and relatable while still delivering the message in a clear and very concise way. Just think of how you might show off a product to one of your best friends. That sound is how clients want to hear you. I'll put a link to our royalty-free sample scripts down in the description below. And finally, perhaps the most important thing that you need to know about voiceover this year is that it's all about collaboration. In the past, voice talent were often really isolated, working alone in their studios. But in today's digital world, voiceover work is a collaborative effort. Often you're working closely and directly with clients, producers, and engineers to create the perfect final product. So there you have it, folks. Everything that you need to know about voiceover this year. So whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, I hope that these tips help you stay on top of the ever-evolving voiceover industry. If you want to see our video on the top audio editors this year, you can check out this video right here. As always, happy auditioning, and we'll see you in the next one.